Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a brief look together at this Bulldog Winch Standard Series Off-Road Wire Rope Winch. Now this Standard Series recovery winch is going to let you pull your stuck vehicle out of the mud, the snow, the water, or a ditch, and up steep inclines. This is going to be perfect for your work trucks, Jeeps, and other off-road vehicles. The rated line pull with a single layer of wire rope around the drum is 9,500 pounds static load, and the vehicle recovery capacity is 6,333 pounds. Now this 5.5 horsepower series wound motor is going to give you powerful, fast, and safe line pulling. The motor is more powerful, more efficient, and produces more torque than a permanent magnet motor. And the duty cycle on this winch is 2 minutes on and 15 minutes off. The line pull at 0 pounds has a line speed of 33.5 feet per minute, and at 9,500 pounds, it has a line speed of 7.3 feet per minute. This has an automatic mechanical brake that holds 100% of the load while minimizing winch creep. The power unit includes the contactor, the plastic housing, and all of the electrical wiring. A wiring kit is sold separately that will let you remotely mount the power unit if that's something that you're looking for. And the sealed 450 amp contactor transmits power from your vehicle's battery to the winch motor. It's water and weather resistant to IP68 specifications. Now this does also feature a rubber wireless or wired handheld remote with a 12-foot lead that's going to let you operate this winch from a safe distance. So if you choose to use this with the wired option, you'll just plug one end of this lead into the bottom of our remote, and then you'll plug the round end. Let me get this pulled out right here. So as you can see, this is going to be completely sealed if you're not using that. So it's nice that this gives you the options of either using this wired or wireless. If you choose to use the wireless feature, then this is going to be able to control your winch up to 82 feet away. Now this does have weather resistant switches that's going to power the load in and out, and that's where you're going to switch whether you want wired or wireless operation. So that is included. And this winch does have an all steel 3-stage planetary gear train with a gear ratio of 218:1, and that provides increased drum speed and torque when compared with worm drives and 1 or 2-stage planetary gear trains. Now let me go ahead and give you a brief overhead view here. I want to show you this clutch. This winch does have a free spooling clutch that's going to ensure fast rope payout. It's going to reduce wear on the motor and gearbox, and the gearbox can be rotated 360 degrees, so you can reach the clutch handle no matter where or how you mount this winch. Now this does feature a 5/16 inch in diameter zinc plated aircraft grade galvanized steel wire rope. It's strong and abrasion resistant. It's 100 feet long. And then at the end we have this 3/8 of an inch steel hook with keeper, as you can see there, and also this nylon hand saver strap. Now the drum dimensions is 2.5 inches in diameter and 8 13/16 inches long. This steel roller fair lead with thick frame has 4 rollers that's going to reduce friction and wear on the rope, and the fair lead has a clear anodized finish which is going to do a great job of resisting corrosion. The durable black powder coated steel body and motor is going to resist corrosion, and the decrement plated motor tube is going to resist internal corrosion. So the motor is a 12 volt DC. The battery lead length is 6 feet long. And let's go over some brief dimensions here. So end to end, looking at the Length, we're sitting right at about 21.5 inches long. The width is about 6 5/16 inches wide, and the height from top to bottom about 10 5/8 inches tall. This does have a 4-bolt mounting pattern, which measures 10 inches by 4.5 inches. And the total weight with the rope installed is going to be about 80 pounds. Instructions are also included to guide you through the installation and the features. We do also provide this with the synthetic rope as well, and also other capacities as well. So if you're looking for something just a little bit different, you can find those options from Bulldog Winch here at etrailer.com. Well, that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that our time together was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.